Okay, let's answer this age problem na karaniwang lumalabas sa CSA or Civil Service exam. So, Jack is twice as old as Lacey. 6 years from now, the sum of their ages will be 54. How old are they now? So, gagawa tayo ng table first. And this is the present and this is the future. So, sa future daw, in 6 years, mag-a-add tayo ng 6. So, in the present, the age of Jack is twice as old as Lacey. So, um, let Lacey and Jack. So, let Lacey be an X and Jack is twice as old as Lacey, meaning 2X. At in 6 years daw, mag-add lang tayo ng 6. So, X plus 6. And here is 2X plus 6. Now, in 6 years daw, the sum of their ages will be 54. So, X plus 6 plus 2X plus 6 is equal to 54. 54. So let's gather like term 3x plus 12 is equal to 54. Now transpose this side or you can subtract both sides by 12. So 3x is equals to, this will be cancelled. 54 minus 12, that is 42. Now we have to divide both sides by 3. Cancel, x is equals to 14. The value of x is 14. So dito, we let the age of Lacey be x. So meaning, in the present, how old are they now? They are talking about the present. So meaning, the age of Lacey will be is is 14. And for Jack, 2 times 14, let's just twice the age of Lacey. So 2 times 14, that is 28. So this is their age. 14 for Lacey and 28 for Jack. I hope you learned something.